An overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 23, verse 1 up to 6. When Sarah was 127 years old, she died at Kiryat Abra, better known as Hebron, in the land of Canaan. After Abraham had mourned for her, he went to the Hittite and said, I live as a foreigner in your land, and I don't own any property where I can bury my wife. Please let me buy a piece of land. Sir, they answered, you are an important man. Choose the best place to bury your wife. None of us would refuse you a resting place for your death. So in this passage, it's indeed Sarah died at the age of 127, despite the fact that Isaac is still unmarried, meaning Isaac had no wife yet, but all of the plans for Sarah, all of God's plan for Sarah were fulfilled during her days. See, God is so faithful to Sarah and He fulfilled everything He planned for her.